Hi, my name is Jérôme Bezet-Torres. I live in Lyon, from France. I'm Microsoft certified trainer since 10 years. I'm Microsoft MVP for the second years and VMware vExpert for the first years. I'm French author for edition Any. You can find all my reference in my blog, my Twitter, and email if you want. Today we are speaking about PowerShell and TrueNas. TrueNas is a free distribution based on FreeBSD. Today I'm focused on storage like iSCSI, SMB, NFS, and TrueNas use OpenZFS solution for storage and is free and an open source tools. Now we are focused about the TrueNas API, which is available on all TrueNas solution like Open Storage. It called before FreeNAS. Now we have TrueNAS Core, TrueNAS Enterprise, and TrueNAS Scale. All these solutions have a TrueNAS REST API, and I use, or you can use an invoke REST method to find all these methods. To access to the API interface, you can use the URL TrueNAS EP or fqdn/api/doc. TrueNAS or FreeNAS have two API mode. You can use with RESTful 2.0 or a WebSocket API. My module, my PowerShell module, use the RESTful version. You can test it on PowerShell Gallery. It's available and is cross-platform. You can specify allow pre-release because there is not in final version. At today, it contains many functions. In this demo, we can have to build some infrastructure. It was composed about one TrueNAS and a vSphere with 6 iSCSI and 1 vCenter. To build this environment, I use Terraform, and I will speak about in a French PowerShell user from France, which I make a demo about Terraform and VMware vSphere. Donc here there is the environment that I built with Terraform on my vSphere. Summary, which I can do with my PowerShell script and my PowerShell module. I configure my TrueNAS core storage. I create one pool and 4 ZVol. Then I configure my iSCSI services, target portal, target global, portal, initiator, target, extent, and final, associate target with extent. And at the end, I start the iSCSI services. I use vSphere 7. I have a PowerCLI script to search my ESXi, my configure network, config iSCSI discover, and create my data center, my data store. Demo time. There is a schema, look like my infrastructures and my action of my script. And after, my TrueNAS can communicate with my vSphere 7. Here I'm on my vSphere. I have my cluster and my iSCSI, and I don't have any local data store that install data store, and I don't have anything. Here I have my TrueNas environment, deploy, and configure. I need to use my PowerShell script to create my information and my data store. The first thing is to import my PowerShell module, like here. Now I can connect to my TrueNas server. I can fill my password, and here we go. I'm connecting my virtual platform on TrueNas 12. I can list all my disks present on my TrueNas. I can list all my disks which is unused. I can create the first thing is the pool data, my storage pool. It named data. There is no encryption, no deduplication. Pool design data. I use 7 disks and then create a RAID 2. Here there is my information. My data is create. Now I create my Z volume based on my volume name data that I've created before. I can list my ZVol creating. I can find all my ZVol volume on my data. ZVol 1, 4, 3, and 2. Now I need to configure what? My iSCSI. On my iSCSI, I need some work, like my portal. I need to add my initiator, which initiator are authorized to connect to my TrueNas server. In this case, I use all, but if you want to implement more security, you can add some EQN for your iSCSI here. I need to create my target, which is name, alias, group portal ID. I create one portal, then my portal ID is 1, and I create one initiator, then my group initiator was 1. Now I need to create my extent. What is an extent? An extent is the mapping of a LUN, my target, and the ZVol volume that I creating before. Here, I need to map the extent name LUN1, ZVol, I harmon SSD, I make a name, TrueNas pool, and TrueNas volume ZVol1. I use this object. Now I need to make something like association. I need to associate my target ID, creating here, and my extent ID, creating here. I need to start my vSphere, my iSCSI services, like this. Already and now is stopped. I start the services and I verify. Yes, it's running. If you want, I need to go here in my storage, pool. Here we go. I create my data volume, all my ZVol, ZVol 1, 2, 3, 4, on my VMware lab, my command. Now I need to go to sharing, iSCSI block sharing. We find the target global, my portal, my initiator group. I don't have authorized access. All my targets, all my extent, and my associate target. That one, extent 1. And here, on my service, my iSCSI. And I can put here. Now, I need to continue my script to connect to my VMware vSphere. I'm connecting to my VMware vSphere. I need to, yes, I find all my hosts. And now, in this script, I need to configure all my iSCSI, all my network, was create a base switch, VM kernel, and each thing. And after, I have a function to discover here to discover my free vSCSI, and I, for each, I create all my functions and all my data stores. I configure the vSCSI 6, all my storage, 1, 2, 4, 5, and the third. And now I create my LUN. Here we go. My script is finished. I need to go here. Incredible. I have all my LUN 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, third, 20 gigabits on all my vSCSI. It's a little slow, but it's working. Yes, there is a refreshed. Now there is all my LUN, all my vSCSI. I create network. And here, VM kernel, and create a VM kernel for my iSCSI on all my basic side. And there is the switch creating here. If you want to contribute to my project, you can have two links on my GitHub or on the PowerShell gallery to test my PowerShell module. Thank you for looking. Have a good day.